You're going to need a 10mm on a ratchet, 24mm, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab your 24mm. You're going to want to turn these all the way up so the cabinet is all the way down. This is to help level it out. Then after, you're going to join them all together, each bracket of these with the 10mm. Go to the back, put them in finger tight about 5-6 screws in. And you're going to want to grab your brace. It has a slip on, so you put it in here and then it slips down. You want to make sure that's all the way down. And the next step is you're going to want to do your back panel. Back panels have the clips. Line them up right here with the square holes. Go up a little bit. Usually they just set right in there. And you're going to want to do your overhead cabinet. Same thing. About 5 turns in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with this one. Same thing, snug them tight. Put on your top. Slide it up. Then inside, from the bottom, there'll be pre-drilled holes, and there'll be gold screws that come with each one. They're wood screws. Just zap them on there. Once you're done with all that, the final thing is the bottom panel. You put that in the bag that comes inside the cabinets. Comes 2 screws for each one. Phillips screwdriver. Nice and snug.